Good afternoon, everyone. I'm down here at Scarborough, down at the marina, or the Scarborough boat ramp. And the tide's running out, so there's not a lot of water down here, but I'll try and cast into the deeper parts, maybe towards some structure. It is a bit shallow though. Maybe I can aim for those pylons over there. And today I'll be using this Z-Man Prawn Z, I think it's called Prawn Z, something like that. I think it's a 3-inch on a, what is it, a 1/12 jig head in the motor oil color. And give it a flick around here, see if we can pick up a brim or two. Maybe a flathead. The only bad thing is I did not bring my landing net. So if we hook up onto something big, I'm not sure what's going to happen. But let's have a flick, eh? And before I cast, I'll chuck some S factor on there. So you got some regular S factor. I'll just put some all over this imitation prawn. So the tide's still running out for another couple of hours, I think. But since there's going to be a bit of current running, hopefully the fish will be on. First cast. Got my new reel today. Little Daiwa Exist. Hopefully we can get something. I have a feeling I'm going to get pike. Surely I'm going to get a pike or two. It's bound to happen. So I'll just let it sink. It's not that deep there anyway. Give it a hop. I was thinking maybe I should have a cast towards that little pontoon there and that boat. I got next to that pontoon. Ooh, I got a hit then. Definitely a hit. I got a tap. Got a tap tap. I can see a flathead engraving in the mud there. Looks to be about 40 centimeters, if I had to guess. Right, so we're near the entrance. I have a few casts over here. And if I get nothing here, I'll move up that way a little bit. Might change the plastic as well. I got a touch. I got a tap. Yes! We're on. What is this? We're on a fish. It's tiny. It is tiny. A pike. I knew I was going to catch one of these. I knew I was going to get one of them. Oh well, good bait. You know, it's not actually that bad to cast when a boat is actually coming through the channel. Because it stirs up the bottom and stirs up the water, and the fish actually like that. Especially the crabs that are on the bottom. The crabs that are on the bottom will actually float up and move around with the wash. It actually entices the fish to eat it. And the fish here are used to boats coming in and out. So I don't think many of them actually get scared when a boat comes in and out of the channel. They know what happens. And I think they use it to their advantage because everything just gets stirred up. And any like crustaceans and crabs and shells and stuff just gets spooked and then moved up through the water column and through the current, and then I think the brim and stuff like that. So if a boat comes past and you're fishing in a channel, have a cast. There we go. Took that on a drop. What's this? What is this? Geez, it's going left and right. Left and right, left and right. I think it's a little flathead. Oh no. Oh, it's a mullet. Jagged a mullet. Nice. That's pretty rare, but anyway. Look at that, just jagged on the top. Big fat one too. Let's see if I can hook it. Yeah, I don't want to frame my line. There you go. Big solid mud. Look at the guts on that. Oh well, good bait. Excellent bait. Ooh. Something's got it. Something small. What is this? What is this? Tiny little Tailor. Hello, Mr. Tailor. So you're chasing the bait fish out there. I knew they were around. What these fish are on the surface, I've tied on a double clutch, a small double clutch. I'm just going to slow roll it, see if anything hits it. Straight away, look at that. First cast. First cast. First cast. Oh, it's a pike. Big pike, first cast. Smash this one. Smashed it. That's a Tailor. Tailor. Still little ones around. Smashing those bait fish. There's got to be a big one in there, surely. There's another one. Mr. Pike. And this one's bait. I think this is a pike again. I think. Oh, it's got a bit of weight. It's scaring a whole bunch of other fish out there. This actually has a bit of weight. It might be a little bit of a bigger tailer. Yeah, it is too. Oh, come off. It came off. That was a bigger tailer. That had some weight to it. I wanted that one a little bit faster. Oh, they must be everywhere around here. There's fish jumping everywhere. Bait fish, I mean. Yep. Knew it was a pike. Where'd he go? Yeah, there he is. He took that one on the drop. Okay, that's a tailor. A little tailor. Took it on the drop, on the pause, I mean. Don't want to get a treble in the hand. There you go. Our tailor. He goes. I'll move up just a little bit where those fish are jumping. Straight away. Straight away. Little tailor. There you go. In the water. Oh, big splashes. Right where I was. Look at that. Oh, right in front of me as well. Right in front of me. I think my lure's going to reach that. Oof. My lure's gone right past that. Mate, they're everywhere. They are everywhere. There you go. What's this, a little pike? It's tiny. It's taking me for a ride. Look at this. Bloody hell. Oh, nice little tailor. Little tailor. Come on, where are your bigger brothers? Oops. There he goes. Alright, that's it. I'm going to call it a day. Had some fun. Nothing crazy. No big fish. Just a mullet. Undersized tailor. I think I missed a legal tailor. And the pike. But I might come back here tomorrow morning. See how we go. Alrighty.